Okay guys, welcome back to Zeke's RC. Today, after seeing all your guys' comments and guesses, did anyone think of a Vanquish Phoenix? I hope some of you guys guess correctly. If not, that's okay.
Right.
I like to see the answers in the comments. I appreciate it. But yeah, this is what I bought. Vanquish Phoenix. Everybody knows this vehicles. They're freaking awesome. So this one's the Portal one. So yeah, let's open it up. Kind of get it out of the box. Show you guys what comes in the box. And we can talk about it. So let's cut it open. If I can get it. No, I just lost value.
Right? 30% right there, just like buying a new car.
Oh, yeah, well. Alright, let me see right in the open.
Blue.
Blue.
Mallory's favorite.
Yeah. Oh man, that is a nice blue. So, comes in the box. Here's you got the manual. And that's very cool. Some RTRs don't come with batteries for your controller. So that's really cool of Vanquish to do that. I just want to let everybody know, Vanquish did not send this. This is all bought.
Not sponsored.
Not sponsored.
Our channel's not that cool yet.
But we love Vanquish. And so let's get the truck off of this. Set the truck there. And then everybody knows Vanquish controller. It's a very nice controller for RTR right off the bat, which is cool. So I'm happy with this, but the truck though, it's
Okay, rip the band-aid off. There it goes.
Band-Aid, the size.
Yeah. Taking the newness off right there. There's one back here too. Nice. Okay, this one's got the Toyo Koyo Edition tires. That's what the Toyo Edition's all about. Different tires than the other one, than the green one.
Yeah, so they're the white compound. I've been hearing that's what Vanquish was turning over to a white compound. I can't remember.
That kind of like the red compound?
Yeah,
the
like a red
Proline
compound. So
Yeah,
it's like a different, softer material for climbing. So
Cool.
I'm kind of excited to see how these stick here. Because down south, watching some YouTube videos for down south in the sand, they still hook up pretty good. So I'm excited to see how they do up here. But let's get this body off and we can show you guys.
Yeah, it's got a little pin and
Yeah, it's got a pin in the back. Well,
a
right
little
there.
clip there, and then the thing that pushes out like my old Phoenix did. Yep. Okay. And then it'll hinge to the back.
But we can hinge it,
Yep.
maybe.
Maybe they don't hinge anymore.
Maybe not hinge.
Maybe we'll be printing a hingeable
Oh,
mount.
there's two clips in the back.
Oh yeah, different.
So two body clips. This is all new to us. Okay. Oh, not bad. Wasn't terrible.
No, so we got a 25 kg.
It's a Metal Gear servo.
So-
That's Vanquish stock. Their VR1 receiver,
And a 1060 hobby wing.
hobby wing,
And a
And then a-
VFD.
VFD transmission with a 35 turn brush motor. And yeah,
Cool. Portal axles.
Portal axles that come with already the aluminum alloy weights.
Oh yeah.
and some beefy
links
down on the bottom and kind of smaller ones in the front. Well, on the top.
up the top, yeah.
Kind of curious how that's gonna work, but I think they'll do pretty good.
Yeah, it worked good on my Phoenix.
Then it's got their new shock design, their I think it's SE8 or something. The new design, so it's better, so they don't leak when they come to you, and I don't see any leaking.
Yeah, I don't see any oil, and there was nothing all over
Oil.
the box, so
great quality truck. We'll get a little bit of video runtime on this, and we'll go from there.